Guys, welcome back to another new lecture. In this lecture I'm gonna showing to you how to develop this website actually by WordPress and using this PHP. So this is the very important, and you will just dynamic this website all everything and single of code. This is the very simple lecture. It will be like that actually 2 or 3 hour maybe. So this is the blog home and the blog post. So this is the blog post. So in the here everything I'll do that dynamic, and this is the footer section, and after that this is the blog page and blog archive and blog home, and this is the social link and the logo and navbar title. So don't worry about this, I will just everything I'll do that dynamic. So after that next page, then you will show that in the next page this is the post, and this is the comment section, and everything I already create this in the here. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this lecture and enjoy this series. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next lecture. We're gonna discuss about how to install WordPress on your local device like that. You can install like a lot of way. So at first you have to create a account like that .wordpress.org. then this is the very way and very easy way. You just simply log in this. So this is my account. After that you will just download this WordPress. Okay, then you'll just show that actually free/ and also free. Download this WordPress, use it on your site, and simply click this download wordpress.org. then it will be installed few of minute. So in this here just I'm gonna showing to you how to install first like that wordpress.org. then you have to install like that localhost, then gem or bitnami .com or bitnami. Okay, then you have to go to Google, then simply type here gem download. After that just click this Apache friends, and you have to install this on your Windows operation like that gem. Okay, already installed this WordPress download link, and this is the WordPress. Okay, so I'll come back 5 minutes later from this file. Then you'll just install this from Linux on your Windows, and after that you'll just install this OS as your operating system. So I'll just install this Apache Windows, and it will be installed. So already I have to install this gem server. Okay, then you have to go to Google and simply type here bitnami. Okay, bitnami, this is the another way, bitnami gem downloads. Okay, then you have to install this, and then you will just follow this actually installation process, how you will install this process. So this is the very easy way. So you'll just install this way, and you have to download this firstly. So guys, I hope you will better understand in this example. So I don't need to this in this video from the system. I'll show to you after another lecture how I'll just install this bitnami for gem. So this is the very easy. You see I used this. Okay, I'll just cut it this server, and you have to go to Google like that MySQL gem server. Okay, then you just install this here, and I already installed this gem server, and in this here click this. After that you will go to admin. Okay, using this any browser as you like. So in the here ignore this all, ignore. After that, okay, the admin configuration storage is not completely configured. Okay, so this is the not actually big issue. So operation related to the database setup. Okay, then I'll just create a new database and I'll give this name like that, blog or s blog. I don't like this name. At first I'll go to folder, then I'll just cut this and I'll go to in my gem folder, then inside of this htdocs. Okay, then in this here I'll create another file. File name, it will be just similar to the database name. I think runner. Okay, it will be just for this s blog. Okay, just install this and you have to using this 7zip and just extract this file. Okay, wait a few seconds, then just delete this. After that, this is your WordPress location and I'll just cut it and paste it here. After that I'll just delete this. So this is your WordPress local storage, and in the here you will just using this s blog as usual on your database name, the similar database name. After that create this database. Okay, then you have to install this like that localhost, then s blog, then wait a few seconds, then it will show that connect on your WordPress locally. This is your WordPress, and obviously you have to create this folder like that. You are using this htdocs and you are using this gem server, then you have to create a htdocs. Then you are using this wamp server, then you have to another file and another create this another folder. Then this is the your htdocs, your local folder. Then you just create a blog, then install this process, and obviously you will just follow this database name, then it will be installed successfully. Okay guys, after that is name, this is yes blog. After that you'll just put here database host, local host, and password. I don't need to the password, and just submit this and you'll show that here is the installed successfully. Just run this installation. In the here you'll just create a site name like that, yes blog. You will just anything you can put here, so don't worry about this name, username like that, my name. After that password, s blog 1 2 3 4, there's the very weak. Okay, then I'll just put here, I'll just copy this and paste it here and install this. Okay, you have to, oh no, here is the another mistake, big mistake. Actually you can using this confirm password and as your username like that, your email address in the here. After that you can just install this, then it will be successfully installed. And obviously you will just put here on your password, then you can forget it, then you will just using this from here. after that username, like this is your password exactly, and after that copy this and paste it here. Okay, then just remember me and save it. So this is your successfully install it on your local server, like that local server, and using this local host. So I hope you will better understand in this example, in this lecture. So now I am going to create a folder in my location, like that as block. Inside of this of admin of contents of includes, then this is the file, and this is the very important file of content. So just click this and type here, and I'll just delete this. Okay guys, I don't need to this in the here. Then you will show that appearance, then come to themes, then you will show that this is the T20 2022 theme. After that I will just active this. Okay, then I'll come back and it will be just deleted. On theme only activate this server. Okay, so guys, in the here I'm going to create this another theme name, like that. This is the theme, that will be theme, and this is the theme name. Okay, so S block, simply this is the S block. In the here, just now I will open this I will open this folder in my Visual Studio. As usually you are using this Visual Studio and or Sublime Text or code editor, another code editor, then you can just open it. Okay, then simply put here and click this CMD, sorry, and after that here code insiders. Okay, then it will be open this file location. So I don't need to this code, this is the another project, running project. So I'll open this. Okay, I'll just open this project X blog. After that web content, then theme, inside of the theme, then this is the folder. Okay, so guys, this is the very simple, and I hope you will better understand how will install this and how you will install easily and what is the process actually. So this is the process, you have to follow this in my process, then you will get a idea about theme development course, and this is the very important. So I hope and I believe that you will learn something from this course. So this is the my folder name. Inside of this folder I will create another folder. Okay, firstly I will create this asset folder, then inside of this asset folder I will create another file. Oh sorry, I will create another folder like that, CSS, and inside of this asset folder I'll just create you'll follow this actually, this underline. So this is the very important, otherwise you'll create another folder. So just create this another folder like that, JavaScript. After that you'll just create another folder like that, fonts, awesome fonts, that's the very important. After that here you'll create another folder like that, images. So guys, this is our primary structured file and folder. So this is our file and this is the asset folders. So I'll just minimize this, and in the here I'm going to create another folder like that, classes. Okay, so I have to need another folder like that, template parts. So this is the very important folder, template parts. After that I have to need actually another folder. I'll create a template. Okay, I'll create another folder like that, theme template, theme. template. So this is the actually static folder, and the inside of this is the sum of static file inside of this folder. Okay guys, so I have to create another file like that. Okay, I don't need to the folder. Now I have to need actually another file, and I'll just create this using this mouse cursor right button and click this new file. And at first I'll create this 404.php. so after that, in the same way, I'll just create this for another file like that, archive.php. So in the same way, I'll just create another file like that, comments.php. After that, in the another way, in the same way, I'll just create another file like that, footer.php. Why footer and comments and archive? Okay guys, so I'll just visit my website, and you will show that here is the charts box, and here is the logo, and here is the menu bar. Okay guys, so this is the, and why you have to create a you have to need this create footer section like that. This is the footer area, so you have to create a footer. Okay, after that I'll create another file like that, style.css. so this is the very important, and this is the primary instruction of this create a theme, and this is the theme development. This is the very important file, and you can call this file, this is the primary file for the theme development. So this is the very important, and without style.css you can't create a theme development or any theme without this file. Okay guys, after that I will create another file like that, primary file. This is the index.php. So this is the primary file, and you have to create anything. You can load this like that, load this any file. Just click this simple page, then you will show that routing or the changing now, and you will show that this is the simple blog. And when you will create this charts box, then you will create a, okay, just create this, click this, then you will come back on your home section. So this is the load section, and you have to create a index.php. that means when you are trying to the another link or another page opening the new tab, then you can come back in the inside of this file, then you will come back this file. Okay, so this is the very important. So after that I will create another file like that, header.php. After that I will create another file like that, page.php. why need to this page.php actually? So okay, I will minimize this and this, then it will be better understand for you. Okay, so guys, don't worry about this. Why need to this page? Actually, when you click this page and simple pages, then it will be open this another new tab on another pages. So that means this is the page section. You will just install this. After you'll just created this page.php, that means it will be helping this opening page. So I hope you'll better understand why you will create this. Important for when you are creating this blog, and it will be open this like that. Okay, I'm going to show this another pages like that. Okay, I will create another post in this here, then you will show that better understanding like that. Hello s blog, and you'll type here simply lorem. You have to go to Google and simply type here lorem ipsum text. Okay, I have to some internet problem, so don't mind about this, and server is loading now. And this the very bad today, couple of day actually internet connection is very poor, so I'll just publish this blog and you will show that this is the blog section. Okay, why I'll just create a blog actually, so you will better understand actually this creating this single.php. okay, and you have to go to Google and simply type here WAP hierarchy. Okay, then this the simply hierarchy template or WAP. Okay, I'll just click this and it will show that this is the better understanding. For better understanding actually I'll open this file. Then oh no. Obviously you will read this instruction and documentation from the developer.wordpress.org. so this is the very important for the theme development. I hope you will better understand this example. And after that, okay, I just found it and click this, open this new tab. Then you will better understand actually why you will create this blog page and single page and page.php and home.php, after that archive.php. so you will just create archive.php, then you will author archive, inside of this archive author category and taxonomy and date and tag php, attachment.php. after that in the singular.php, then you will just create a singular php and page.php, and you have to create a home.php and 404.php and charts.php. so this is the WAP hierarchy. so you have to read this instruction and then you will better understand in this example. So guys, you have to create this single.php. after that I will create this another file like that. This is the text file. okay, so readme dot text. In the here you will just write some of important tips and tricks or like the theme development topics in this here. And when you are creating the gigs when you are creating when you will create the GitHub, like that GitHub, then it will be better helpful for you, and you'll just controlling this gig from this here. And readme.text, this is the very important for the instruction. okay guys, so after that in the here it will be another create this folder like that, missing this folder, and you will just create this like that screenshot another images in this here, then it will be work it. okay, just now I am going to creating this style.css in the here. so I have to go to sblocks and go to themes, after that 2020. so in the here I'm going to style.css. I'll open it in the notepad, then you will show that some of instruction in the here, a lot of code in the here, but I don't need to the another I don't need to the lot of code like that. I'll copy this and paste it here, Okay, so this is the helpful for you. So this is the way you have to create this and change this name as blog. After that you will create this text domain, that means it will be s blog. So this is the very important text domain. So I'll just create this 1.0.1 or 2. Yeah, you can just using this anything in the here, okay, as like as you want. So this is the way why it will be happened in the here. Okay, so test it up to the 6.1.0.1. okay, no need to the this. Okay, PHP requirement that it will be just 5 to 5. Okay, I have to not to need to this, and I don't need to this lot of edit from now. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand in this example. So after that text, okay, text that will be automatically the here author name like that, masukmia.com. So sorry, only masukmia, then author URL, it will be helpful like that, wordpress.org. this is the very important, and you will just create this wordpress.org. this is your profile, and you have to just copy this wordpress.org, then in the here you'll paste it here. Okay, so this is the important, and after that I don't need to this here theme URL, that means I don't need to this. Okay, then masukmia, simply that is the very important, and themes.blog. so this is the simple URL. So okay guys, then you will show that exactly, and refresh your browser. Just click this dashboard and you will show that appearance themes. Just click this and you will show that actually s blog and version actually 1.0.1. after that you will show that our difficult theme, our default theme, and design it, and after that you will show that this is the my name, and when you will click this link and you will go to my WordPress portfolio, so that there is the unauthorized access, so I don't link up this link, and okay, I just delete this, and in the here I'm going to create this http dot. Okay, then after that wait a minute. So after that you'll just I'll just change this author URI, and then you will show that already change this author URI, and I'll come back in the URL link and just click this, then you'll show that here is the, oh no, I'll just refresh this again first, reload this and click this link. Okay, this is my website, and you will show that here is the my agency website, and I don't have any I have no domain name expiry already, so the domain name already expired, so don't worry about this. This URL link already working now correctly. So this is the link author URI, after that the theme URI, so I don't need to anything in this here. So this is the our structure of style.css, and after that I'll create another screenshot this website, and this is our, and I'm going to using this awesome screenshot, and you'll just using this. I hope you are using this awesome screenshot, so this is the very helpful for you, and just simply download this. After that you'll just go to your download it and click this here, and you have to go to click this here. After that, op content, the themes of as blog. In the here, just change this name screenshots.png. then you have to come back on this in your dashboard and just simply refresh this. Okay, so screenshot.png. Okay, so getting this image, actually when you are correction your file name, this is your file name, like that is screenshot.png, then this is the actually not a accurate images in this here. So I'll just go to back and I'll give this screenshot. I'll take this screenshot, actually full pages, so then it will become correctly. So guys, simply download these images. I have some problem with my network, so don't worry and don't mind this, and quite a few seconds. Okay, so download these images. After that, I'll just come back in my folder and downloaded file. Oh no, internet is very slow, and this is the images size, actually 920k kilobytes. So this is the actually very slow in my internet connection. So I hope you will better understand actually what is the process and how we'll start this theme development, and this is the very easy way, and you will learn actually a lot of things from my lecture, I believe that. Okay, then I'll come back in this here and I'll just copy this and paste it in the folder. Okay, I don't need to this. I'll just go to in my folder like that, click this S block and up content themes of S block and paste it here, and just simply copy this and cut it. After that, you'll just rename these images. Okay, then it will be come successfully. Okay, oh no, here is the some problem. Okay, actually you have to edit these images. Okay, so don't worry about these images. Google and simply write here WordPress sizes and what theme screen size, then you will show that here is this size, and you have to go to Canva and you will just using this Canva size. Okay, so that is the very helpful for you, and I will create an image for better understanding actually. Otherwise lot of people come to here in my YouTube channel and open this lecture, and they are can guess this actually. I didn't know this anything in the here. Okay, so this is the very bad habit of the users and our like that, our tryness actually. So I'll just create this very simple way. Okay guys, okay, I hope you'll better understand this example. So download these images, and obviously we'll just click this transparent, so I don't need to this actually. Okay, so I'll come back in my downloaded file, and after that click this downloaded simply and paste it here as doc, paste it here and rename this file and delete this. After that I'll check this, it will come correctly or not. then refresh this browser. Okay, so this is the successfully images loaded in the here. So I'll just active these images. Now I am going to creating this in my images, and I'll just visit this in my website. I'll just cut it unnecessary tab. So this the here our theme is empty, so I'll just click this here and I'll come back index, and I'll just loaded this PSP in the here. So I'll just simply type here hello s blog, then I'll come back. Oh no, okay, so just I'll simply type here is s blog, and you will show that this is the hello s blog. So successfully we are installed our theme, and now I'm working this template, and I will develop this template step by step. So at first you have to create this file. So in the previous lecture, already in the previous some of couple of minutes ago, I already described this file, and you will just create this way, and this is the necessary file style.css and index.php. After that, this is the main function. I didn't actually, I forget it, like that, function.php, function.php. This is the very important, and this is the compulsory file for your theme development. So guys, I hope you'll better understand, and successfully we are installed our project, and successfully we are installed our development theme process, and also we are installed our file. So now this is our theme. So guys, I hope you'll feel better now, and you will successfully create a simple theme installed on your local server. Now I'm going to creating this starting this file. At first I'll create this like the template parts, and this template theme template part. So I'll come back here and download section. After that, okay, I'll just extract this file here. Oh, I don't need to this file. I just sblog. I'll just delete this unnecessary file. Okay, sblog, and I'll just copy this and paste it here. Paste it this theme template. So I'll just paste it here. So in this here I'll copy this file. So guys, successfully we are connecting this theme.theme/template. Then you'll just come back in your index.html, then just copy this and paste it here like that. Create another folder like that, front page.php. okay, just I'll simply paste it here. Then you'll show that exactly. Okay, this is our front pages, and you will show that here is the so like that logo and some of content in the here. So you can using this anything and any template, and this the strips and tricks. Actually you can using this another template easily. So you have to follow this you have to follow this way actually. Then you can create any template and convert this theme. So I'm going to creating this function.php. So firstly I'll just getting this link in the here like that. This is the verb, and after that asset, then template or theme template, then then css, then style.css. okay, I have to link up this style.css. Then I'll just edit this function from this link like that. You have to go to Google and just type here easily uh, op in q script or style. So this is the uh, this is the actually title and to provide to you. This is the function, and so developer.wordpress.org, that will be provide to you actually lot of functionalities, and you have to just using this module step by step, then using this hook. So this is the function actually script, then this is the script function. So you just using this, just copy this, then you have to come back in your code editor, then just paste it here. After that you will define this here. I'll just delete this. Okay, I don't need to delete here, just paste it here, after that you just change this name, and after that you just change this your link here. Okay guys, so firstly I'll just copy this code from my another website. I'll just provide to you this code. Okay, just start off, and this is my another project, complete project. So it made by SAF and custom SAF Pro. So this is the function. After that I'll just open this, and simply I'll copy this, okay, from this here, nothing to another. Okay, just change it easily, then I'll paste it here. After that I'll just explain this function. This is the startup function. Here I already loaded this actually text domain, and this is the language. In the here I'm going to creating this another folder like that, languages and GUAGS languages. So this is the folder, load text domain. After that here add this title. I'll just minimize this line. When just I'll like that, in this line actually when I'll just dynamic this title, then I'll define this function here. After that edit theme supported like that. I don't need to here, I don't need to this register menu. So I'll just minimize this line. Okay, so after that this is the function, and here is the another function like this, a startup agency. I'll just delete this as blog, then style CSS. Okay, as blog style CSS. Simply I'll just copy this function name, and here I'll just paste it here. So this is the very simple. So I'll just provide this code actually here in this here. Okay, then I'll provide this link. Oh no, okay, then it will be just helpful for your any website developed. So this is very important for you, and you have to you will just get find it easily from my GitHub link, and this is the very simple. So in the here just I am going to using this Google font awesome. From the text here like that Google. Okay, firstly I'll just using this bootstrap, and after that standard css from this here. Then now font awesome, after that animated, this is the bootstrap link. So after that it will be just creating this another file link, style.css. Just copy this link and paste it here, style.css link. Okay, so in the here I'll just animated this bootstrap dot animated, so I don't need to have this, but okay, I'll just simply run this code. This is the before connection load.js. So the here I'll just delete this here and connection this PSP. After that using this web header, the here just I'll paste it. Okay, I'll cut it and I'll just paste it header.php. Then this here I'll just define this PSP get header, or okay, get header. So in this here just I'm going to delete this URL link from the here. Font awesome, this is the font awesome file, so just I'll delete, copy this and paste it here, like that, where font awesome here. So I'll just asset, then CSS. Okay, don't need to this. So firstly this template, and I'll just copy this CSS and style.css, this code, then I'll paste it here. Okay, then I'll refresh this, no need to this. Okay, didn't link up this connection, actually getting this link from this here. Okay, after that font theme style font pages. Okay, I'll just delete this. Here is the Google dynamic CDN JS cloud freer font some. So after that you can use it easily. Okay guys, so just for that I'll just delete this from here, index.html, and that will be just header. I'll delete this. After that I'll just copy this style.css, that means it will be bootstrap. Okay, so bootstrap CDN and bootstrap, here is the stuff. I'll simply copy this line and paste it here. What is paste here? Actually, you have to come to back in your header.php file, then just copy this link. Okay, then after that just delete this bootstrap.css. After that, here you can just load this style.css. So this is the style.css, and you just cut this asset, then style.css, link this. Okay, I'll just copy this and copy and paste it here. Asset, then css, paste it here. Okay, then you will just come back and refresh this. Okay, didn't get this link, so don't worry about this. Actually, oh, here is another mistake. Actually, in this here I'll just I'm working now in the function.php, but when starting this front to .php, then in this here just you will delete this and connect the php wap or get header, get okay, then you have to come back in your header dot function. After that, in this here you will just using this another php. After that, up head, that means finish this php tag. Okay, so this is the getting result of this header dot style.css. After that, you have to come back in your browser, then refresh this. I hope this is the getting link, and not only of the whole of getting result, but this is the very awesome, and every single of not every single of link URL link getting this here, but almost here, almost are done. So don't worry about this. We are finished this. In the here I'll just delete this head dot, I'll just delete this from here. After that, okay, no need to this front.php. Okay, then I'm going to back in the function.php here, then stack overflow, so every actually loaded all JS from this here of enqueue script, that means bootstrap bundle, then get template URI, directory URI, then you can find, you can just link up this asset, then js bootstrap bundle dot main.js. so in the here this is the js file main.js, so you'll just copy this, or you'll just copy this file and paste it here. Actually this here, okay, then you will show that exactly that is the link of, or reload this. After that, inspect this element and you will show that here script code.jquery.main.css. after that, js.main.css. you will just okay, you can just open this open a new tab. This local page cannot be found actually. Link of didn't get find this URL link. Okay, so you have to connection this link. So now I'm going to delete this carousel.min.js in the header.php. Okay, I'll delete this. I don't need to this actually this link. So being you are understanding this URL link, and you will get idea about how to connect this bootstrap.bundle.min.js. so you have to get idea like that of include script. Then you will just using this startup style, not a startup style actually. So delete this as blog style. Okay, so that is the that means you have to function like that function.js. Okay, I'll get a idea about this, and from this footer I'll just copy this here. Okay, then paste it here. That is the actually bootstrap jQuery, jQuery.min.css. so you have to follow this and paste it here easily. After then don't need to this. Or you will just simply change this bootstrap bundle, not a bootstrap bundle. You will just using this as blog. Okay, then you will get idea about this. After that you just delete this script, and I'm going to again in this just copy this line and paste it here easily. npm script.js. okay, then it will be popper popper. After that you just change this name of web fonts, and I'll just delete this scripted. After that here this is the bootstrap.cdn. so I'll just copy this and paste it here, and in the here I'm going to paste it here easily like that bootstrap sketch, and using this copy this and paste it here. Okay, then you'll just come back and refresh this. Then you'll show that some of images is getting this found in the here. I'm not going to using this get template directory URI. This is the I'm going to using this bootstrap cdn. so I'll just delete this here, and I'm going to using this grab this link. Okay, then it will be work it, and simply this is the carousel. I don't need to the our carousel on the here. So I'll just okay, this is the logo sum, and everything is fine, and you will show that image didn't get find easily. Okay, I'll just paste it here, and you will show that when you are using this online bootstrap cdn, then you can delete this get template directory URI. This is the path of the include style. So this is the very important, and you have to get idea about this. That is the very important. After that from the here from dot css, and in the here I'm going to using this PSP style.css, and where is the image, just find out image. Okay, then this is the images path. So in the here I'm going to using this like that github, and you simply type here web and get images path, then you will get idea about this. Okay, you have to anything just you can go to Google, you have to go to Google and simply type here if you want and anything requirement, then you'll just find you'll just get it easily. Okay, then after that how to get the URL images. Okay, upload in the WordPress. Okay, I don't need to this WordPress. Okay, code example get path images. Okay, this is the web page. So in the here I'm going to using this in my own my coded like that. Okay, so I don't need to this, and I'm going to come back in this here, and I'm going to open this code, and it will show that here exactly. PSP echo get template directory URI. What is justify services after that? Template parts. Link up this template in the here like that. PSP echo get template directory URI, and using this semicolon after that. Okay guys, so this is the image location, and this is the folder location. So get PSP echo get template directory URI. After that you will just come back in your file theme template. This is your theme template file, and you have to go to images, and after that copy this and paste it here like that images folder. Okay, I'll just delete this first folder. Okay, create these images or paste it here, then you will show that here's the your images, and come back in your browser and refresh this, then you will show that icon is getting this found in the here. This is your icon, but logo didn't get a find in the here, so you'll just simply cut it here images, after that logo.png images, then inside of this images, then logo.png. Okay, then refresh this, and okay, then I'll just inspect this. localhost sb blocks contains sb blocks images. Here is the mistake, like that sb blocks images and logo.png. Oh, here is the another mistake. sb blocks images. Get a slide and images. Okay, after that echo logo.png, then just delete this. Logo didn't get a find. Here is the mistake. Themes, then sb blocks images, then logo.png. Okay, logo.png, everything is fine, but our images cannot get a find this link psv. Okay, I'll just simply copy this link and paste it here easily, then it will be corrected. So guys, oh no, couple of minutes ago, so we didn't get a idea from this here, like that theme version. Actually from here I didn't remember this in the here, like that get version, like that version equal, this is the variable, and you have to type here or get theme get a version, then where this is the conversion, this is the variable, and this is the primary from here, and you have to type here easily, this is the version. That means you have to come back to your style.css and you'll get idea, this is the version. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand in this simple example. After that you'll just copy this version and paste it here, like that in the here. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. So I'll just check this here, like that of get dot theme dot function, then you will get idea about this code reference from the developer.wordpress.org. then you can get idea about this of dot, this is the my theme name, this is the variable, then you just call this your 2012 theme name, after that exist, and call this your variable function in this here. Okay guys, so if otherwise exist this theme, then echo your theme name, after that your boolean and expression, and you have to come back in this your my theme name and version, then you will just my theme and of get theme, after that my theme and get version. Okay, so you'll get idea about this, and php echo get of theme. Okay guys, and I'll give this grab this link in my description below. This is the theme version check. Okay, check this value, check this version. Okay, so you will better understand in this simple example. So you have to go to Google and simply type here developer.wordpress.org, then you will get an idea about this function. So this is the very simple, so don't worry about this. So come back in the function.php file folder, then you have to type here version, and just delete this, simply just cut it and check it here, refresh this browser. Okay, then inspect this and you'll show that in the here. Okay, I'll just cut it and sorry, actually you can just paste it, control U, then you'll get idea about the view of source code. Then you'll come back in the CDN, like the CDN bootstrap CDN 4.4.1 bootstrap.min.js. After that you'll come back in the here, this is your update version. So just you'll check this 4.4 into 4.2, then you'll check this again, refresh this browser, and you'll show that okay. Come back in the description below. Okay, don't change this here. Current version is actually 4.1.1, but you'll change this here 4.1, every single of change here, then you can get an idea about this. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand simple this function. This is the version, and you just using this version, then you can just copy this and paste it here. So simply you will just simply to do a on tracks and paste it here version, then you can check this version here and here, then it will be updated automatically. So this is the very simple, and you will just you'll do it easily. So I'll just change this version and version. Okay, just paste it. This is the very simple. Or anything wrong, okay, check it again, because this is the rememberable code and you don't have any mistake in the here. Okay guys, so I don't need to this code. Okay, and again you just grab this code and paste it here easily, all of version here. After that paste it. Okay, that is the right, and you have to change this version of like that in the here actually version. Get an idea about this 4.2 and change this version 4.2 and to 1. After that 4.2, then you have to come back in the browser and refresh. In the couple of minutes ago I did actually the wrong pathway, and absolutely this is the one way I didn't just cut this and everything. Style.css and script.js, everything loaded on the one file, but one function, and in the here I did this correction, and the here like that script is the another method and style.css is the another function in the here. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand in this example. This is the style.css, and after that this is the script.js. so this is the very simple, and this is the enqueue style for your theme development starting point. So I hope you'll better understand in this example. So guys, in the another correction like that here. I'll just control you and you'll show that here is the main.js and file.php starting and ending this PHP file. After that here connect the off.footer and using this. Okay, and just now simply refresh your browser and you'll control you, then you'll get an idea about this. And in the here, this is the very important, is the another correction of this like that, look like this. This is the version and this is the main.js, and you will show that here is the main.js function is available in the here like that, main.js function ready, and page title is the remove class sticky, and you will show that page title remove class sticky. So everything is okay, and you will show that here is the version. Okay, where come from actually in the when I just did this function in the here, but I didn't get a define this version here, so this is the very big mistake. Then you can just using this function version function in the here, then you can just modification from this version here. Okay guys, I hope you'll better understand in this here and everything is okay. So now we are starting this front end phase in the here. Okay guys, so I hope you will better understand in the here. Then I will just images and using this logo, and after that using this another images, getting this here like that PHP get template, PHP echo get template URI. So this is the image getting function. So don't worry about this, I'll give this another example. So guys, now I'm going to starting this header.php file. So this is the header.php, so don't worry about this, I'll just cut it from here and paste it another file, because in this here I'll just delete this. I'm going to delete this because this is the unnecessary file for me. After that I'll just copy this, everything is here. Okay, I'll just cut it from the header and just cut it and paste it here, header.php. After that I'll paste it, and in the here I'm going to using this function and now I'm going to create this footer area. I'll just cut it and paste it here inside of this footer folder and paste it here. After that you have to create another function, PHP function like the PHP, then of okay footer dot PHP. Okay, then just I'll refresh it and everything is okay. Oh, everything is fine, and don't worry, our program is running now and everything is okay. Then you'll just delete this for checking out. Then what happened in the here, you will show that everything has gone and your website is already damaged. Okay, so obviously you will just notify this header.php and simply paste it here, Ctrl Z, then come back and refresh in your browser. Okay, so everything is right, and you have to come back in this here like the get header.php. So now I'm starting this code. Just I'll grab this link and I'll come back in my function.php. So at first I'll create this on function like the startup, and I'll just create a function that is actually add theme supported. After that this is the add theme supported title. Then come back to your browser, then refresh it, and you will show that exactly here tools and settings. After that redeem farmer link. Okay, post it and save it. Then you have to come back in your description, then reading, then writing. Okay, general. Okay, just I'll change this name, site title as blog, ss vlog, then save it. Then you will show that exactly where change. Okay, ss vlog. Save it and refresh this, and you will show that actually our browser will automatically support it in this title, and you will show that here is our title. So everything is okay. So this is the very simple. You just create a function and you have to edit this theme support, and you have to just copy this and paste it here with your browser and paste it this. Okay guys, so you will show that edit theme support, then you will get idea about about from this developer.wordpress.org. So at first you have to read this documentation of the wordpress.org, then simply you will get a idea about this. Add this theme supported, after that add this theme supported custom logo, then array. And why you will show that when you have a logo, then custom logo, then you can using this array function in the here. Okay guys, so that is the parameter. So this is very very important for you, and you have to get idea from this website. Okay, then you will better understand, and you will using this another website very easy way. Now I am going to creating this another function like front page and header.php. After that I'll just remove this. Okay, I'll just again come back in my browser and refresh it easily, and just click this blog.php blog post, then you will show that here is the route this container section, and just I will delete this here. Okay, so just I'll come back in my front.page slash page.php, and I'll just delete this container.php, and just simply I'll cut it here. Okay, and I'll just come back in my browser and refresh it, then you'll show that here is the nothing to here. Okay, so I'll just cut it here, and I will come back in my footer.php file. After that I'll just simply paste it here and refresh this browser, then you will show that. Okay, I'll come back and just cut it and paste it here. After the body tag, then I'll just refresh it. Oh no, did header and in this here, and come back header.php and paste it here. Okay, then I'll just come back browser and refresh it. Okay, everything is okay. After that I'll just come back footer.php article, then cut it here. Okay, just work dot and come back front.page front/page.php, and after that you will just change this get.footer function. After that refresh your browser, then you will show that here is your footer area. So simply paste it here and change this name as log, and you will show that this is my YouTube channel link. I've good camp. Okay guys, so I hope you'll like my video. Then obviously you will subscribe my YouTube channel, then get a notification, thumbs up the bell icon. So I hope you'll better understand in this example, and everything is running. Just simply type here hello as logs, then come back and refresh it, and you'll show that here is hello as logs. Okay, so everything is okay, and change this browser and refresh this. Okay, cannot get a find. I've good camp. Okay, I'll come back and browser. This is my channel URL link, and paste it here easily. Footer and paste it. refresh this. After that, click this, then you will show that this is my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand in this example, and actually how to define this front page in the hello s blocks. So this is the title. You can just post this in the here, and after that you'll come back in the function.php and just define this add theme supported this title. Then you'll come back in your header.php file. Then after that you'll just define this the here like that php the title. Then refresh your browser, then you'll show that hello s blocks, and you have to come back in your front page. Then after that you can just change this and delete this s blocks. The title come from actually settings. After that just delete this and save it. This is the title in the above. Okay, s blog. After that primary. Okay, I'll just delete this. I don't need to this in the here. Now I'm going to check this have a post in this website. So do you have a post in the here? So this is the very important for you. If check this value, have a post, and now I'm going to using this while loop in the here. After that just using this the post, and using this the content. Okay, so you have to refresh your browser and must be needed after this, and you will come back in your function.php. Then here you can just define this header menu. Okay, I don't need to this here, so I'll come back in my browser and refresh it. Then call to the undefined function, have a post in the htdocs. Okay, number of line 8. This is the error. If check it, if have a post. Oh, here I did it mistake in the here. This is the have post and this the have post. Okay, actually I don't give this actually t. Then this is the spelling mistake, and you will come back in the here and refresh it, the same error. Have a post, and after that have a post. This is the function, the post, the content. So you have to come back in your browser, then you'll just show that undefined function have post. So then you can change this name like that, have post, and after that have post. Okay, so you can just copy this and paste it here in your browser like that, have then posts. So you'll show that it is here. This is the way you can using this function have a post. Okay, So I hope you will better understand in the example. So error has gone, and now in this here, this is the blog post, like that one post in the here. Okay guys, this is post, and you have to come back in your pages and post all posted. After that you will show that here is the post. Okay, I'll just delete these hello world and hello blogs. I'll just edit this. We'll just post this here and save it. Update this post and refresh this browser, then you will show that. Okay, this is our post, and in the here, like that one post in this here. Okay guys, then there is the, and I'll just another post, edit this, and I'll just name this as vlog 2, and in the here I'm going to using this is post blog post 2. I'll save it and publish it. After that refresh this browser, then you will show that this is the blog post 2. So our while loop programming is running, and to check this have post available, what kind of post and how much post in this here. So after that I'll just come back in my function.php, and in this here I'll just register this menu and post thumbnails. After that register this theme supported automatically feed links, and okay, add theme support support title, and after this so guys, I'm little bit sick, so don't worry about this. Just type here menus, and after that register this menu, and in the here just I will define this function start of setup. So I don't need to this start of setup. Okay, I'll just define this as blog. After that you can define this as blog. So in this here just I'm going to define this edit theme support. Okay, then theme support will be post thumbnail, so I don't need to this here thumbnail and others, post slider team and testimonial service others etc. So I don't need to this another, like that it will be just post and contact page. I'll just delete these. I'm going to define this here vlog. Okay, vlog. In the here I'm going to define this register nav menu. So this is the primary nav menu. So actually this does for text domain as vlog, and you have to come back in your style.css and check it. Actually this is the text domain s blog and copy it and paste it here. This is the you have to follow this text domain in the here. After that you will check this menu like that. Footer menu, it's not a footer menu. Okay, I'll just select this footer. After that footer menu items in the here. Footer menu items. Just delete this and paste it here. Actually desktop primary menu left sidebar. So register this menu in the here. After that you have to come back in your front page.php. After that header.php. Just I'm going to change this hard code like that php, and the title okay. So I hope you will better understand in this example. So just change this and you will show that as blocks. That means here is the pages as block 2, and you have to come back in your pages like that as block 2. This is the title. Okay, so I hope you will better understand in this example. So this is the dynamic title, and change this hard code from the soft code. Okay, so now and I'm going to using this. Okay, I'll just back this and I'm going to creating this. Okay, in the previous the menu is actually don't showing this in the here navigation menu. Just click this menu, then you have to create a main menu and select this. Okay, then you have to create some of pages in the here home, save it and paste it here. After that I'm going to creating this another file, another pages like that, about. After that we creating this another post, another pages in the here. Okay, now I'm creating this another like that blog. Okay, so I don't need to another pages, and refresh this browser and you will show that here is the home page and about page, blog page. Add to this menu. Okay guys, then and save it automatically desktop menu and footer menu items. Okay, so save this and refresh this browser, then you will show that okay, don't come to this here. Oh no, I didn't work in this here like that. This is the menu. So this is the menu item, and I'll change this hard code from to the soft code. Okay, I'll just convert this easily. So this is our menu section like that, get template, image URL and blog home. So this is the code. I'm going to work this after logo. PSP, then WAP nav menu. After that I'm going to creating this array function. Array. So in this here I'm define this menu where is it will be position like that menu, then it will be change this primary menu. Okay, after that container that means id ul. So I don't need to this ul. After that here I'm going to define this item location. After that that will be just primary menu. Then I'm going to edit this another item rep using this ul class nef plus 8. Okay, so in the here I'm going to using this item ref ul id. Just delete that, I don't need to this unnecessary code. id div class. After that neighbor flex column where it will come from actually, so you just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so automatically come from by the github git copilot. I'm going to using this git copilot, so this is the very important. After that here I'll just delete this. Finish this PHP starting and ending. So you have to come back in your browser and just find that menu register. Actually you didn't get idea anything, then you can come back in your browser and just type here easily, then you can get idea from this here. After that function register name menu. Okay, text domain as blocks, so I don't need to this. Okay, I have I have need this code. Okay, so in the here just you can change this code. register menu, like that. Change this, it will be menu. After that, I just delete this, okay, and I will come back in the function dot register menu, and in the here I'm going to define this nav menu, like that. Register nav menu, function as vlog, and this is the nav menu function. Okay, just I'm going to delete this or hide this code, but in the register nav menu, here I'm going to register nav menu. After that, define this location, like that. Primary menu and primary menu, okay. Your website, so this is the very simple website what you have to learn from this. And actually in the extremely beginner to advanced level, so you learn a lot of things from this here. So you have to first set up your project and update this, create this file. So that is the very easy way. So this is the actually beginner to advanced level creating this website. So this is the very simple website. So you have to learn actually a lot of manual registration and tab, the tag, after that comment and section and front page functionality, and their charts icon, charts box, and single page, and after that blog section and their menu bar. So now I'm going to creating this menu bar in this here. So this is the menu bar section. So you have to go to your website and just refresh this, then you will show that here is the okay. I'll just creating this and click this, then you will show that this is the mobile menu bar. Okay, this is the totally responsive. So I'm going to creating this dynamically, this menu bar. Okay guys, so let's go to the code. So after that, the here just creating this PSP starting and in this PSP. Oh no. After that, register this menu of nav menu. So in the here menu section, where come from actually, you can show that this is the menu section, and you'll show that this is the automatically provide you. So don't worry about this, you can just using this. Using this GitHub Copilot, so it will be provide to you a lot of code, extra code. You can just you don't need to this code, then you can just delete this. Okay guys, so this here is the very simple code. You will just type here, after that array, then this is the WAF navigation, and okay, error has gone in the here. So just now in the menu, then you can select this theme location primary, then you can provide this another menu. It will be Okay, after then theme location, and after that theme location primary menu. Just I can delete this, only it will be primary. Then you have to type here item container, okay, or item location, it will be primary. Then that is the item location, that means the theme location. So I don't need to this theme location, okay. And just simply using this tab, okay. In the here I'm going to using this item refs. So item ref, okay. Then item ref will be where it come from. Actually this is the nav class, never flex column. Then you can just call this function, call this plus in this here, okay guys. So simply type using this tab. So this is our menu. So I will just refresh my browser. We're done. Actually done this menu item, okay. I'm going to using this comma, plus never icon. So you can show that this is the everything is okay. So just you have to go to browser and simply refresh your browser, then you will show that here is your menu, dynamic menu. This menu where come from, actually you can show that here is this your menu section. You can just click this and edit this new menu. Then you have to create this another page. So guys, okay, then it's better, looks better. After that I'm going to creating this contact face, base. Then refresh this browser, the here, then you will show that this is the contact page, contact us, and add this here and save this menu. After that refresh your browser, the here, then you will show that contact us in the here, okay guys. So you can just delete this UL menu in the here from here. Then you will show that id equal okay. Now I'm going to be deleting these unnecessary menu from this here. Just I will delete these, okay. The preview I'll just delete these here, okay. I'll just delete these and refresh your browser, then you will show that unnecessary, like that. I will delete this everything when I'll just correction this menu, okay guys. At first you can correction this your color and hover icon, and you have to change this like that blog post the white when it will be hovering this menu, then it will be just changes this color, okay guys. So this is the nav link. After that this is the nav item, okay. So using this in your inspect menu, select this. After that and you will select this here, okay. So then nav link a, okay guys. So this is the a. That means you can just select this EA, and at first you have to come back in your style.css and find it easily. Nav link. Okay, this is the nav link, so you have to select this nav link and nav item. So guys, after that you can just input it on your nav bar, nav menu. After that you can just delete this everything in the here from here like that. I'll just delete this. I don't need to this, and come back to browser and refresh it. Then this menu, static menu, will be removed from this here. After that you will show that everything is okay. Then you have to come back in your theme and customize this logo. So firstly you have to support this logo in the here like that. Add a theme. After that post thumbnail, it will be just custom logo. Okay, so then it will be supported from your theme. After refresh this and change this logo site identity and this logo, select this logo from here. Simply I'll just added this another logo. It will be that, or oh no, I don't have a logo from my desktop, so I'll just, oh no, here is the video. Okay, I'll just simply put these images and select this. That is the too much low quality image, and I'll just select this, crop this image. Oh no, there is had been cropping error, skipping this error. Okay, so just publish it and you'll show that here is your logo cannot provide it this here. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand this example. So at first you will just work this on your blog like that header. Then you can images this logo dot images. So I'll just delete these. Okay, so in the here I'm going to dynamically getting these images from this here. Then you will show that exactly here this title, name and tagline, everything will be here. Add this here like that. This code automatically provided this here. Okay, I don't need to this code. So guys, in this here now I am going to I'm creating this logo from here. After that it will be by default function at first PHP starting this. After that, oh no, here is this, it is just of if function you'll just check this image function exists. So function exists using this function exist, and after that you just use this the custom logo. It will be existed here. Then you can check this custom logo, the custom logo. This is the simple function, and you will show that. Just simply refresh your browser and you'll show that here is the logo, but logo is actually, this is the problem. I'll just make. So So guys, this is the image, so don't worry about this. Just you have to come back in your website and you'll just change this PHP echo after that using this logo. Okay, here just I'm going to delete this, and now in the here I'll just define this custom logo, then get theme mode using this. After that here I'm going to using this logo, then this is the image attachment ID src logo, custom logo ID, then logo ID. Okay, so I don't need to this, so don't worry about this, just state okay. So after that I have to go to browser and refresh this, and here there is nothing to happen, and in this here I'll just delete this and refresh this, and I don't need to this function in the here. Okay guys, so images did not load this here actually. To get attachment images src, just simply copy this and paste it here on your browser, and obviously we'll just using this developer.wordpress.org. So that is the resource and it is very helpful for you. After that simply type it and paste it here, get attachment function for the images, and you have to using this another function and you can get it easily. After that is the width and height and images of get attachment images src, then ID. Okay, I don't need to this. Firstly I'll just image this and PHP echo image attachment, okay. I'll just delete this. Here I'm going to using these images custom logo and passing this parameter, and obviously we'll just read this instruction. Okay, then you will get idea about this. So this is the very simple. Okay guys, so I hope you'll better understand in this example. So just simply refresh this, and I hope this is the image and image loaded is accurately. So I hope you will get an idea how you just define these images and what kind of images loaded from this here. So I believe that you will learn about from this new, and this is your home text. You will just change this color white background, and remove this UL list, then obviously comment this section, and you'll must be put the comment on your opinion and what exactly will do that, and screenshot this, and this is your home tags and this is your two home tags. Okay guys, so at first you will just change this hover effect like that images. After that you will just remove this UL list, that means without just remove this UL list, then it will be remove this from this here. So I hope and I believe that everything is totally dynamic, and you'll show that exactly this is the website, and I'm going to work this body tag and images link URL. After that footer area. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna update this logo URL alter. Then after that you can just change this, and you have to go to Google and simply type here images alter change of WordPress theme. Then you will get idea about wordpress.org. Anything you can just find it easily using this wordpress.developer.org. So that is the very helpful. show that actually this is the site title, but here is the s vlog 2 is the another site title from where just you will change this in the here name like that, the title. I'll just change this PSV echo get blog info after that here using this name and refresh this browser. Okay, here is everything is dynamic. Just you will change this name and update this. This is the dynamically loaded from this here. So I hope you will better understand in this example. When you are give this post anything here, then you will show that here is no images. So I will come back in my backend like admin panel, then I'll just post this, add a new, then you will show that here is no custom theme images. Okay, just select this image. Okay, I'll just change these images function.php and support this post thumbnail, post vlog. Okay, already theme supported from this here like that. You can support this another way like that. You can post this support this here post thumbnail, then you will show that refresh this browser, then you will show that automatically images have loaded in the here. Just post this hello as vlogger, how are you, the here just you can post this lorem ipsum. After that you can generate this text. I'll just copy this sum of text from this here, so that is the really helpful, and you will show that a lot of developer using this website. Okay, and post it. After that here I'm going to using these images and upload this on kind of image and published it, then refresh your browser, then you will show that here is your blog post. Okay guys, so hopefully it will be dynamic and everything dynamically updated this blog, but design it not found it in this here. And another post like that, this is the post 2 and this is the another post post description. So this is the not like beautiful. So I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial. So I'm gonna change this post criteria, and obviously you'll just support this post thumbnail and post blogs. After that images, everything you can just support it this here. Okay guys, so guys, in this here you can post this different type of post, video and like that gallery, and may I have a post actually images, and may I have a post in the different category. You can call it actually lot of post in the here, and this is the dynamically when just you will create this vlog, and this is the nothing happened to this link. So in the here I'm going to creating this another post like that header and front page. Just I'll copy this everything and I'll just paste it here single.php. Okay, then I'll just refresh in my browser, then you'll show that just click this about, then it will be change this URL link in the here. Okay guys, so but in the here I'm going to creating this another, and you will show that actually this is the single page hello as vlogger how are you, this is the title. Okay, this is the post title, this is the single page title. Okay guys, what is this here after this the another post come to here. So this is the boringness. So now I'm gonna show to you. Actually this is the single page .php. So everything come to the admin panel. Is another file the here like the contained article.php. After that, inside of this front page single.php, inside of this here just get template get template. Okay, so you have to go to Google simply and just you'll show that just copy this line and paste it here and change this content. After that, using this another article, this is the page name, and inside of this content article, then you can just this is the path, you can just find it path. Okay, after that you will just simply get it template parts, then content, then article.php. okay guys. So you have to go to Google and simply type here easily get template part. Everything you can find it easily from the Google, and simply using this, how will just using this process. So this is the process. You can just using this your get template part, or you can using this another way, get template part, then slider, then data. This is the another variable getting this template part. Okay guys. So guys, in this here you can just simply copy this for your front pages like that header, and after that index single.php, then the content the here just using this php. After that the content. Okay, content. Okay, so in this here just I'm going to so I'm going to in this theme template part. So this is the by default template. So actually this template will show that here I'm going to creating this published the 3 months ago, and tag after that a category, and then comment section. So this section I need to have in this here. So I don't need to have this here from inside of this pages. Okay, after that, so now I'm going to creating this part content inside of this content.php from post. Simply I need to have need to this blog.php and container header. After that, this is for this I just need this. Okay, so come back in the content.php and paste it here. After that, inside of this I can I'll finish this div section, then I'm going to refresh this. Okay, no need to run this project. This is the sticky sidebar. Okay, then there is nothing to happen in this here. So maybe it will just didn't connect to these template parts, then contain article.php to delete this post in the in this here like that. This is the post, just refresh this and it will show that this is the post here actually, and I'll come back in the browser and it will show that here article, then it will simply article article. After that, come back inside of this front page single.php, then change it article. Okay, then refresh this browser. Oh, here it will show that, just refresh it and it will show that here is the nothing to happen in the here. So I'll just I work at this get a template. This is the single page, so it will won't actually in the here. So after that, this is the content. After that, the content. Okay, I'll just I'm working now. I'll work now in the single.php. After that, form phrase.php. Okay, so simply I'll paste it, get template parts, then template content. This is the part and this is the content article. So inside of this template parts, then you'll show that content.article. Just simply refresh it in the here, then you will show that this is the blog post too. So in the this is the another blog and this is the another blog. Okay, that's why it will come to two times. Just check it. I'll just delete this hello blogs. Okay, as blog 2, then refresh it, then you will show that this is the one post in the here. So guys, I hope you'll better understand this example. This is the very simple. So using this tag, and I'll just dynamically this code. So this is the static code. I'll just static to dynamically. Okay guys, so after that in the here you'll come back to the in your parts like the template parts, then this is your static template, then you will just come back post.html. after that you will just need to the another pages, then you will show that here comment section. Just I'll run this from here, PSP the category. So I'll just delete this. After that, comments. So inside one of them, inside of this, I'm going to copy this tagline, span, and paste it here. Span and paste it here. Dynamic these categories, and after that tags. So I don't need to the tag section, but in this here I'll just copy this and paste it here. Refresh this browser. simply I'll just delete this category. I don't need this category from here, so that this is the date, after that this is the text, and after that this is the comment section. So in the here we'll come back to here is the no comments, so I'll just comments. Okay, so firstly I'm going to back in my blog.push.php inside of this template theme template parts. Then after that push.html. after that here inside of this here this is the comment section. Okay, this is the comment section. I'll just copy this and paste it here in the comment.php. so inside of this here I'll work in the inside of this area. Firstly you'll just create a contain article. Okay, that's why you'll just come back in the content article. After that just simply edit this get template or code php, then in this php. After that in the here just I'm going to check this if not equal, if equal empty, then get reply id. This is the not necessary. Here just I will define this have a post or have a comments, so echo no comments here, or else comments it. Okay, so as in the here just I'll type here leave comment echo, don't need to this here. Okay, just leave comment. In this here just I'm going to check this get comments and after that number. Okay, so in the here I'll just come back in the front page or content.article. in the here I'm going to using this, just I'll copy this and paste it here, and simply I'll just change this name comments template. So guys, after the rest of the code in the I'll finish in the next lecture. So this is the blog page and about page. When you click this blog page, then it will be change this blog page. Okay guys, so I hope you will better understand in this simple lecture. So I believe that I hope you will, when you will try to your best, then you can do it easily. After that you will just finish your this website, then send me in the like that give me description below in your project link, so then any error I will help you. Okay guys, so I hope and believe that you will learn more something in the here. So thank you guys, thanks.